Today, we will solve another tricky question. The prime factorization of a prime number is the number itself. Why? Observe the examples here. Prime factorization of 7 is 7 itself. Prime factorization of 11 is 11 itself. And prime factorization of 13 is 13 itself. Why? Let us understand this. Look at the answer. We know that a prime number has exactly two distinct factors, 1 and itself. Example, factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Also, we know that in prime factorization, only prime numbers are allowed. Observe carefully. Since 1 is not a prime number, the only prime factor of a prime number is the number itself. Got it? Therefore, the prime factorization of a prime number is the number itself. Example, prime factorization of 11 is 11 itself. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky questions, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.